my question is, I want to start, the cover's being done now, but it's like 300 pages, 6x9. Okay. So it's a major book. I don't know whether going after the usual book review sites is going to be aligned with something that's long.
Yeah.
Good book if you're an entrepreneur, but if you're just there to kind of look at shorter books and whatever, I don't know. What are your thoughts on the best? I mean, I do have a list of ARC and things like that, but I was wondering about the services.
Like same thing. Like the length of the book doesn't really matter in terms of what review service you're using or anything like that. So either, you know, yeah, that like will have zero, like that doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is a very long book. You need to increase your price in order to make money.
Yeah, I would assume.
Like that. Yeah, so that's the only thing with longer books. But like you said, you've been working on it before you joined the program.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like you want to get it finished, you want to get it published. You've put the effort into it, the time, the money. So like, yeah, still get it published. You just got to keep that in mind.